the ground. But I'm feeling right. I tell you what it's all about. Cause you can't if you feel this way. It's not like
So hi goddesses, I know my hair looks crazy, but today I'm gonna show you my wash day routine. I have a lot of hair and my hair is pretty like dry and brittle. So what I'm gonna be doing today with my hair is a Bentonite clay wash. So I'm about to go create the Bentonite clay and I'm going to like put it in my hair. I don't know what style I'm going to do just yet, but yeah, so I'm just gonna show you my wash day routine. So when it comes to Bentonite clay, the reason that I like doing Bentonite clay is it one cleanses your scalp and gets out the impurities. So it pulls like metals out of your body, so, and put it on my skin. When I do it in my hair, I put it on my skin. So yeah, we're just gonna get into that and stay tuned.
Hell raising, well chasing, new worldly possessions. Flesh making, spirit breaking, which one would you lessen? Better parts, human heart, you love them or dissect them. Happiness and flatness, I believe serve the question. In the perfect world, I would be perfect world. I don't trust people enough beyond their surface world. I don't love people enough to put my faith in man. I put my faith in these lyrics, hoping I make a band. I understand I ain't perfect, I probably won't come around. This time I might put you down, last time I ain't give a fuck. I still feel the same now, my feelings might go numb. You're dealing with cold thumb. I'm willing to give up a leg and arm to show empathy from. Pretty parties and functions like you and yours. A perfect world, you probably...
Okay, so I put the Bentonite clay in and I washed the mask off my face because it started getting like itchy. So I don't know for y'all, but sometimes when I put Bentonite clay, and maybe it was because of the apple cider vinegar that I put in, I didn't keep it on for a really long time. So I just like wiped it off. Look, my face is like crispy. I mean, clean. But yeah, so this is what my hair is looking like. As you can see, the waves and the curl and the definition and everything. Bentonite clay, it really, really defines your hair. So now what I'm going to do, kind of like work on some like editing right now, and then I'm gonna hop in the shower, condition my hair, and shampoo my hair. So the conditioner, I'm gonna show you guys, and this is like the first time I've been using like Trader Joe's brand. So I just started using it and I love it. It really does wonders on my hair. So one last thing that I do want to say, specifically if you have type 4 hair, but for B and for C, I feel like that's my pattern type. Doing Bentonite clay, if you struggle with like laying your edges down and laying your hair down flat, I'm gonna tell you right now, moisture is very important, and also doing the Bentonite clay actually helps me lay down my frizzy hair. I have very frizzy hair and I cannot lay down my edges like that much, but I notice when I do this clay mask as well as moisturizing my hair using like aloe and all that and more, it really helps. And I definitely will post a video very soon on this one that I did like a couple months ago to show you my like aloe routine using the actual plant. Said I'm gonna keep this in for a little while until it gets like dry, until it gets hard. So if it takes like a half hour, like it's up to you on how you feel, but I'm gonna keep it in until it like fully dries through. That I'm going to get in the shower and rinse it all out. Okay y'all, so I am now about to get in the shower. I was like editing for a little bit, So at this point in time, my hair is like pretty like hard, wet in some areas, but it's pretty like dry and it's pretty hard. I'm gonna get in the shower and wash it all out at this point in time. And just a little FYI, make sure when you do the like Bentonite clay that you really get the clumps out. And don't really massage it in your scalp. I don't massage it in my scalp because it can really get in your hair and kind of hard to like get out when you like rinse it out and whatnot. So anyway, we're gonna jump in the shower now and rinse it out. And y'all can see like I'm watching like anime. When I edit, I watch like animes that I've like seen over and over again that I don't have to pay attention to. So Demon Slayer is what I'm watching right now. It's like an anime I like to play in the background while I'm like working, because I've seen it so many times. But if you haven't checked out Demon Slayer, definitely check it out because it's a really good anime. I love it. So yeah, let's get into the shower.
I can't fake humble just cause your ass is insecure. I can't fake humble just cause your ass is insecure.
I just finished twisting my hair, so I just like laid down my edges. I'm gonna take it off real quick. Look at how those edges look. They look juicy. This is the end result of my hair. This is how I'm going to be rocking it. I just did 2 or 3 twists here, back, and twisted the rest of my hair because I just wanted to put my hair away. I'll probably put like a couple jewels in it to make it look cute and everything, but this is really it when it comes to my hair. As you can see, it is revived, clean, crisp, and on top of that, the length is coming in. As y'all saw as I was doing my hair, you know, we got some length. It's almost back to bra strap length. It's getting there. It's like to my nipple right now. It's pretty much to my nipple again. The more and more that I just put my hair away and keep it safe, the better. Like, that's how my hair is gonna grow. So my goal for like all of like next year, like in a year, definitely by, I want to say the next 6 months, my hair should be back to like bra strap length. I don't really have too much of a goal. Like, I think for a moment I wanted my hair to like get to waist length, which I know I can reach that goal. I probably can reach that goal in like 3 years. And my goal ultimately is thickness and health, not necessarily length, but it's thickness and health. And my hair is looking thick, it's looking healthy. So yeah, if you do happen to use the Bentonite clay and the apple cider vinegar on your skin and hair, leave a comment below on how you feel and how does it feel for you. Do you feel a difference? Do you see a difference? Like, is it juicy? Because just look at my hair. Look at how juicy this shit is. So let me know what your experience is like in the comments below. And also let me know what you guys want next. If you want me to video on like tips on how to grow your hair, what I did when I started my natural hair journey and all that and more, and how I grew my hair, how I kept my hair safe. And with that being said, goddesses, do not forget to love on that like button as well as subscribe, and I will see you next time. Bye. I don't care